Hello, my friend. This is Will. I will introduce the potato washing and peeling machine for you. This is our manual potato washing and peeling machine. Okay, I will introduce this machine for you now. This machine is suitable to washing and peeling root vegetable like carrot, potato, and so on. It can also wash the round fruit like apple, peach, pear, and so on. The machine is made of 304 stainless steel. This can meet your local hygiene requirement. The pellet is 3 mm thickness. The processing capacity is different according to the different models. Okay, let's see. Let's first see the driving system. Opening this cover, you can see the motor, belt, wheels, frame, chain. The motor drives the belt and the chain. The chain will drive the rollers, and the vegetable will be washed and peeled. Here is a switch. The machine will work when you press the red one, and stop when you press the red one. This is the cable. It connects to the power supply. There are 4 wheels under the machine, helping us to move the machine easy. Put the machine on the level ground and support. Screw these 4 feet to support the machine. This is the spring system. This pipe connects to the fresh water. With the machine work, the nozzle spray water to clean the vegetable. This nozzle direction can be adjusted according to your requirement. There are 9 waved rollers. The roller rotate in clockwise direction. Why we make the roller in waved type? Because the waved roller can closely touch the potato and carrot and get better washing and peeling effect. For the roller, we use the Y0Y0 nylon filament. Most factories in the market use the PBT plastic. After a period of use, both the nylon filament and the PBT plastic filament will bend. But our nylon filament can restore the original shape by pouring hot water on the roller. But the PBT plastic filament need to be replaced. Our nylon filament has more than 4 years used, while the PBT plastic filament roller only have several months life. Commonly, the washing time is about 2 minutes. With the water cleaned the potato, carrot, the waste water will fall down. We end a collecting pipe to receive the water and the potato skin. The wastewater will drain through the pipe here. This can prevent the wastewater splashing and in favor of workshop cleanliness. Commonly, the washing and peeling time is about 2 minutes. After the vegetable peeled, we need to operate this handle and the vegetable will be discharged. It is the operated very easily. Okay, this is our potato, vegetable washing and peeling machine. This is the wheel. Thank you.